Captain, hold on. Hold on, hold on.
All right, bring him through. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. All right. Bring him over here. Come on, line him up, line him up, line him up. 1, 2, 3, come on, bring him over. Hello, sir. My name is Dr. Cummings. I'm going to be taking care of you. Okay, we have 3 shots in the abdomen.
5 for a wedding. 6 for a birth.
What's he saying?
6 for a birth.
Sounds like a nursery rhyme.
I'm going to have to go in and get these. Hold him down. Okay, here we go. 1. Going in for the second.
Stay with me.
Wedding. 5 for a wedding.
2. It's shattered. I'm going to have to go in a second time. Okay, last one.
5 for a wedding.
Wait a minute, there's something else in here. Okay, here it comes. Okay. It's not a German bullet.
It was...
How is he? Not so good, Mom.
Charlotte, I have your book.
Edward, that's my book. Give it back. Give it back! Edward, stop this at once. Charlotte, please.
You must stop teasing your sister.
Delicious. Thank you. Anais, would you mind preparing me some hot water? I'd like to take a bath. Yes.
Nu e adevărat, nu o să reușești. Acum. Mai mult avem.
Facesc din argintul gata.
Este sigur?
Vine o furtună. Trebule să fim gata. L-am protejat de generații și ne-a protejat generațiile.
Let's go down and listen.
How do we know where they are?
They are camped between Woodfield and Deer's Rock.
They claim the land belongs to them.
Has anyone looked into the validity of this claim?
There does seem to be some validity to the claim that dates back 80 years, but there is nothing on record that can't be changed in our favor.
Has anyone tried to negotiate with them?
They're gypsies, Seamus. They're laying claim to a sizable amount of our shared lands. And we've made them an offer to walk away. The offer was substantial.
They want the land.
That can't be allowed to happen.
We all have something to lose in this room. So, what I'm suggesting the money that was offered is used to hire mercenaries to remove them from the land. In my experience, the threat of the stick is normally enough.
Caught these two trying to escape. Woman had these. Old whore tried to fucking bite me with them.
And did she?
Nah.
You think you can just waltz into my country with your spells and magic and take whatever land you fancy?
Hasta starizaza a nuestra.
Especially Porci. Make an example of him. A warning. His kind aren't welcome round here. Make sure you bury these with her.
You sure? Silver, worth a pretty penny.
There's no worth in it. Just death.
Pizzi vomo travi somnul pune condelsun. Pe unon intulecata. Avia tut veishti. Asta esta muerta.
Come out my sight.
Come on. Put him there. Now, let's get you in this coat. Yeah, put that on. There we go. Yeah. We don't want you getting cold, do we? You're gonna be out here a while. Now, this'll teach you to run your filthy gypsy mouth to my captain. Let's get this on.
Come on, good shut up!
Over the hills, my bonny Irish lass. Come over the hills to your darling. You choose the road, love, and I'll make the vow. And I'll be your true love forever.
Very nice. Now time for bed.
I'd like a room for the night.
All guests must sign in here. State where you've been, where you're going, and state your business. Town rules.
Any reports of gypsies in the area?
Like I said, state your business here. Other than that, food and ale are included with the room. Take a seat. I'll bring you some food.
That didn't take very long. Give me away.
Other than the fact you're asking about gypsies, the state of your profession as pathologist in the guest book? Not much.
Doesn't the good constable have matters to attend to?
It's lieutenant.
Oh, climbing the promotion ladder. I'm impressed.
I heard what happened in Gévaudan. I'm sorry. How have you been? How long will you be staying? We could use a good pathologist around here. Cholera got the last one.
Well, if cholera is the only thing you have to police, then you don't need a pathologist, do you?
Four for a coin, 5 for a wedding, 6 for a curse, 7 for a curse, it's buried in the earth, 8 for silver, 9 for gold, 10 for a wolf, and you won't die old. Come on, Timmy, it's your go. One for sorrow, 2 for joy, 3 for a girl, 4 for a boy, 5 for a wedding, 6 for a birth, 7 for a curse, it's buried in the earth.
I've seen it.
Seen what?
Before we go any further, you must swear not to tell anyone. I mean that your father will banish my family from the settlement if he finds out.
I swear.
We swear. We're not supposed to be here. The elders forbid it.
They have forbid it ever since the night this field was on fire. But since then, how many of you have dreamt about the scarecrow and the silver teeth? Let's dig up the box of treasure. You're scared.
I'm not.
Yes, you are. Scaredy cat.
Leave him alone.
Are you going to dig it up?
If you're so brave, why don't you dig it up?
All right. I will.
No, Timmy, don't. Timmy. Timmy, don't.
Don't touch him, Eddie.
Charlotte, what's the matter? What is it? What's happened?
Fetch the doctor.
What's happened? What happened? Darling, just
It's very dark in here.
Yes, the light. It was hurting his eyes.
Right. Let's have a look, shall we? Mm-hmm. Edward has been bitten by some kind of wild animal. The wound does seem to be infected, and he has a fever. I've treated the wound and given him something to calm him down. I shall come back in a day or two and check on him.
Thank you. This way.
Thank you, Doctor.
Edward? Edward? Eddie? It's Edward. There's something wrong with him.
Stay here. Edward? Edward? Edward! 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 Edward!
I'm only here. Come to boast about another promotion, have you?
There's a manor house, half a day's ride from here. They've sent for me regarding their son who's gone missing.
And what's that to do with me?
There was a gypsy problem that way not so long ago. It may be connected to what you've been looking for.
Timmy,
What happened to Edward in the field?
you don't remember?
All I remember was the silver teeth and then a nightmare and then I woke up on the ground.
You used the teeth to bite Edward.
Did you or the others tell them what happened?
No. We took an oath, remember?
And Judas asked, "What are you willing to give me if I deliver him over to you?" And they counted out for him 30 pieces of silver. It is the same silver that was given to Judas. Take this, you may need it.
Where's the silver?
It's here. On holy ground. I saw the flames in my nightmare. We will all pay for the sins made by our elders. We're all going to die.
Charlotte, what did Timmy want? Come.
Edward! Edward!
Good day, sirs. Please, follow me. Mr. Laurent will be with you shortly.
Gentlemen, Seamus Laurel.
Lieutenant Alfred Moliere. This is the pathologist.
John McBride.
We have prepared guest rooms for you in case you need to stay.
Mr. Laurent, you sent for us about an urgent matter regarding the disappearance of your son.
Yes. But since we sent for you, things have gotten a lot worse.
Cause of death is consistent with an attack by a wild animal.
A wild animal?
The size and shape of the bite marks suggest a wolf.
Who is he?
The Adams boy.
And your son is still missing?
Yes.
Oh. That's that. I'll head back to the department, file a report.
Is that it?
You have an attack by a wild animal. Your boy's missing. I don't mean to be insensitive, but the country's in the middle of a cholera pandemic. Thousands are dead. Many towns are closing their gates. Trade routes heavily affected. I'm sorry. There's nothing more I can do.
No, I'd like to stay on for a few days, if that's all right.
Let me know if your boy shows up.
So you knew the boy?
My son Edward and my daughter Charlotte often play with the children from the settlement.
And on the day Edward went missing, what do you remember?
A group of them had been in the woods with the Adams boy. Something had happened and Edward had been hurt. And by the time we got him back to the house, he had developed a terrible fever. Something had attacked Edward in the woods.
An animal?
He had bite marks on his, yes, they had to have come from an animal. Charlotte seemed to be in shock. She couldn't tell us anything. Later that evening, I went to check on him, but his bed was empty and he was nowhere to be found in the house. We haven't seen him since. A few days later, the body of the Adams boy was found in the woods. Mr. McBride, the families in the settlement are frightened. They are in my employ, they live on my land, and I am responsible for them. They're looking to me to resolve this. May I present my wife, Isabel? This is Mr. John McBride.
Very pleased to meet you, Mrs. Laurent. I'm so sorry to hear your Edward is missing. Is it possible he just ran away?
No, that wouldn't be like Edward. You see, he is a very happy child. Besides, we have searched everywhere.
And we are still looking for him.
Please help us find him.
Oh, yes. May I see his room?
Of course. We had to clean the sheets. Edward, he was unwell.
May I see the rest of the house?
Of course.
When I came down, this door was wide open.
We need to board all the windows on the ground floor shut.
Why?
It's just a precaution.
Come over the hills, my bonny Irish lass. Come over the hills to your darling. You choose the road up and I'll pay.
Anais.
John?
We're going to die. Of course not.
I will not stand for such talk at the table. Mr. McBride is here to help us find Edward. And we can help him by maintaining our strength and remaining steadfast. Now eat, please.
McBride?
Seamus, fetch arrival. What kind of animal tries to break into houses?
There are some things I'm going to need from you.
What's happening here?
Can't be sure until I set up a hunting ground.
You're gonna hunt it. I'll need to gather the elders and tell them of your plans. We own all the land in this region.
Make sure they travel under armed guard.
Gentlemen, you're all aware of the unfortunate circumstances that have brought us here this evening. The killing of the local child and the disappearance of my own son, Edward. Mr. John McBride has kindly offered to help capture the animal that killed the Adams boy.
Are you sure that this is some kind of animal? Not the work of a madman?
After examining the body, I concluded that the cause of death had been consistent with an animal bite.
What kind of an animal are we talking about?
Wolf.
You're a pathologist?
That's correct.
What does that mean exactly?
Our body speaks even after our death. I listen.
Isn't it a job for hunters?
I'm sure you've all read about the Beast of Gévaudan. Perhaps heard the stories. You see, I was stationed there during the troubles with the army.
You think what happened in Gévaudan is happening here?
It might very well be.
Then isn't this a job for the army?
Unfortunately, the army will only be deployed if there is confirmation that the same thing is happening here as in Gévaudan.
Are you suggesting that we stay inside our house and board the windows shut?
I would strongly advise it.
No one should be out in the field until that madman is caught.
No use complaining. We drew the short straws. We get this done, we get ourselves home. All right? Jacob, you take the far side. We'll work inwards till we meet in the middle. Keep your eyes peeled. Stay in sight. All right?
Callum? Callum! Callum! Jacob? Jacob! Jacob? Jacob? Jacob?
This is all we found. Anne-Marie was working in the fields with Callum and Jacob. She made it back to the settlement and raised the alarm. We came back here and... no Callum, no Jacob.
Did the girl see what attacked them?
What? She's in shock. What she says makes no sense.
What did she say?
She said it was a dragon. She's in a bad way. She's lost a lot of blood.
She was bitten. Where is she?
She was just here.
Everyone must leave. We can't protect them in the field or in the village. It's no longer safe here.
Go where?
Take them to the church. Barricade the doors shut. Food and water can be fetched for, but under armed escort only. It is imperative that we limit this exposure.
Exposure? Exposure to what?
Seamus, you and your people are being hunted.
Water!
Sorry. Can't sleep.
No, me neither.
Drink?
Yes. Who's Edith?
My wife.
Do you have children?
Seems a long time ago now.
Are they no longer with you?
We'd been stationed to Gévaudan. They were plagued by a wolf. 2 people had been killed in the first week. 6 the following. That's when the army had been drafted in. There was talk that the wolf was a curse, and of people eaten whole. The first time I saw him,
covered in fresh blood, just outside our village. By the time I got back there, it was too late. 13 people had been killed by the beast. My wife and daughter were among them.
I'm so sorry. Did they ever catch this wolf?
Shortly after that, a band of traveling gypsies came to Gévaudan. They said the curse had had its revenge and was to be contained in gypsy silver. They then traveled northwest with the trail and gold and Limousin.
Well, the gypsies had a claim on my husband's land. My husband and the elders.
That's enough! That's enough. I want no more talk of curses. You've locked everybody in a church, and I have nobody working the fields. If you're here to help, then please help. I just want this beast, or this wolf, or whatever it is, captured and killed.
Tomorrow I will set the traps.
What in God's name is it?
Gentlemen, I must warn you. This won't be easy.
It's Anne-Marie.
Don't touch it! She's gone. They never come back the same. It's the kindest thing we can do for her now, Saul.
Mama said she was a baby.
Saul.
Saul. Saul. Saul.
Saul! Saul, shoot her! Do it now!
Is this the fate that has befallen my son? Isabel must never know about this. I beg you.
What else doesn't she know about? Do you dream much, Seamus? The land of Gévaudan had been cursed. At night, everyone had the same dream. Who is she? The woman buried in the field.
Woman, I don't know what you're talking about.
She cursed the land.
That's absurd.
Is what you just saw absurd? The dreams, the beasts. You were cursed, and it started with Edward.
Edward had nothing to do with this.
He will kill and keep on killing.
Edward is innocent.
Anyone who survives an attack will change until the curse has had its revenge.
Revenge! I am the one seeking revenge for what this thing has done to my family. I started this, so I will finish it. I will hunt it myself and put an end to it once and for all. Now you burn this thing. Whatever it
Take the torch.
Please don't leave us, Nana. Gosh,
Isabel. Who is the woman buried in the field?
It's the only trophy that's kept locked in a drawer and not displayed on the wall.
We must find what was buried. We've all dreamt of the silver that has cursed this land. On the body of Timmy, I found the page torn from the Bible. He knew something about the silver as there was a passage underlined. The silver is melted in the furnace, so will you be melted in its midst. And you shall know that I, the Lord, have poured out my fury upon you. Ezekiel 22:22.
Charlotte, is there anything you can tell us? Anything at all?
And Judas asked, "What are you willing to give me if I deliver him over to you?" So they counted out for him 30 pieces of silver.
The silver from the dream. You believe it was the same silver given to Judas? Where is the silver?
We've all prayed for your safety. Some of the men have joined Seamus to go and hunt the beast.
We cannot control what Seamus is doing or has done. I believe there is a way to stop this. Charlotte, where is it? Saul, send word to Moliere. The army must be deployed immediately. And Saul, I need a blacksmith.
try again tomorrow at first light. Isabel? Isabel? Have you seen my wife?
Sorry, sir.
What's the matter with you? You sick?
I'm fine.
I'm going to clean yourself up.
Is anyone missing?
Everybody's here. What is it?
Where is the maid?
I think you should leave here.
Charlotte, darling, please go to your room.
Tomorrow.
No, Seamus, we need John's help.
We'll hunt again at first light and put an end to all this.
And come back empty-handed, just like you did today. Like all the weeks the army tried to hunt the beast of Gévaudan. It's you it wants, Seamus. You and your kin. Dead or changed makes no difference. You don't have to go hunt for it because it will hunt you for what you've done.
What I did for my family.
The gypsies, they had a claim to the land, didn't they?
It was my land.
And you stole it from them.
And I lost my son!
Now you know the cost of greed. My wife and child paid the price because of men like you.
Please. Please. I just want to find my Edward.
Yes. Why don't you ask your husband where he is?
Get out.
You know, Seamus, all this time I thought I was tracking the beast that took my family. But now I realize I got it all wrong. I'm just the caretaker, making sure it all gets put back in a box before any more innocent people are killed. I'm staying here till the army arrives.
I miss Edward. Can you stay with me here tonight?
Of course.
Anise? Anise?
Have you seen Seamus?
Find Charlotte. The house is on fire. Go!
Seamus!
Seamus.
It was an ace. I shot it. I see the flames every night, John. I was bitten. I'll change. Tell Isabel and Charlotte. I'm so sorry.
No, no, wait, wait!
Come on!
Wait! Where's Seamus?
We have to get to the church. It's a safe place. Let's go. Come on! Let's go! Get up. Come on. Move, go. Come. Stay behind me and move towards the church. Move. Go, go.
Close the door. What's happened?
The manor is on fire.
And Seamus?
He did make it. We barely made it here. He stalked us the whole way.
We are all that is left.
Hey.
Well, so what do we do now?
We wait.
Wait? Wait for what? No, I'm tired of waiting. Hiding. We're like sheep. If you're telling me the thing that killed my son is just outside those doors, I say we go outside, we kill it.
You go out those doors and you will be dead.
How come you made it here? You're not dead.
I have something it's afraid of.
What?
I have the silver bullet. But we have to wait for daylight, draw it into the open, and have a clean shot. That is our only hope.
We got word to Molière. The army will be here by morning.
That's good. Now rest. We've got a long night ahead of us.
I believe this belonged to your boy.
What happened to Seamus?
It was Anais. He was badly wounded when I got to him. He told me to tell you and Charlotte that he was sorry.
Is Edward lost to this nightmare?
I can't say.
The sins of my people have soiled us. But now I come to you as a mother, aching under the weight of my grief. Please, anything I can give, any path, please show me, I beg you. Show us mercy. If there is any hope, please show me, I beg you, Lord, show us mercy.
Isabel. Move out of the way. I'm sorry.
Picked them up off the church floor. He doesn't remember anything.
Edward, son, you and your sister are going to come and live with me now. All right? None of this was your fault, son. All right. Up you go. Charlotte. Charlotte. It's time.